Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set items in file manager to display as icons or list on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Files, or you can go into the App Library and tap on Files. In here, tap on the Browse button and then tap on iCloud Drive on my iPhone. And in here, to change the way how the items are displayed on the screen, tap on the More button at the top. And in here, you can choose to display them as icons or to display the items as a list. And that's it. That is how you can change the way how your files manager display items on the iPhone. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.